Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit PDF. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. So it actually depends on how you want to edit the PDF. If you just want to highlight or you want to sign, then you can head over and use the built-in editor of Microsoft Edge. So head over, right click on it, and then from in there you should be able to see option with open with and choose Microsoft Edge from the list. Now the file on the Microsoft Edge and you should be able to see it from in here. So here's our file right here. If you want to actually just highlight it, click on this highlight button and select a highlight color that you want to use. For example, let's use in here a blue and then just highlight on the specific part of the paper that you want to highlight. If you want to sign from in there, you can head over and click on this draw and then just sign your name from in there. Now, from in there, you can also add some annotations, like for example, say something like, no, it's not like that. So you can actually annotate the book that you want for this particular PDF. And then from in there, once you have added all of the tweaks that you want to use for this case, you can head over and then click on this save button that you can see right here. Now, it's another case if you want to edit the content itself. Like for example, you want to remove this first paragraph. What you can do in that case is to head over right here to any browser that you have and search in here for PDF to Word. Now, from in there, head over and choose which PDF you want to use for this case and then select your PDF file. So let's try to upload right here our PDF file. And then let's add in here our PDF file that we have. So this is the paper towns and open this. And then from in there, click on this convert to Word. And as you can see, it will upload itself. And once it's done uploading, it will convert your PDF into an editable Word. So let's just wait for this right here. So from in there, head over and click on this download Word right here. And we should be able to see a download for this particular file that we have. So here's our file. Let's just wait for this to finish the download process. And then once it's done, we should be able to open it. So let's head over and click on this in order to open this file. So we have here now an editable file. So head over and then select the part and then delete it if you want to as well. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try best to answer. Thanks.